how to remove this fuel door together with the hinges, like the whole assembly right here. Okay, it's gonna be a little trickier with one hand, but what you can do is, look, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 dots here. There's a clip behind them, like there's 4 clips holding this gate in this place, so all the clips are behind those dots right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go from here, you're gonna pry it out and go in here, and you're gonna have to push the clips. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it with this plastic one. I don't think it's gonna do it, but I'm gonna get the regular screwdriver. I'm gonna go in there right here. Okay, there you go. It popped and now it's loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this plastic one here, and I'm gonna go to the next. This is just a part car, so I don't really worry about scratching the body or anything. You know, I cannot sell this part of the car anyway. So what I'm gonna do is the same thing. Push it. See right here, it popped. The bottom is loose now. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the top. It's real hard to do it with one hand though. Oops, if I can go from here without damaging the seal. Oop, yeah. Oh, right there. So I'm just trying to open the space for the screwdriver. Now I get the other one. Damn, it's real tricky with one hand. Oh, there you go. Now the last one is holding it. So the clip is behind it. I think it's loose now. Or not, I don't know. It should be. Or maybe actually the locks assembly is holding it in this place, but it's gonna come out. What you're gonna do is you have to pull from this side, but maybe you're gonna have to take the cap off too. I don't know if it makes it. There's nothing holding it right now. Oh, there you go. Yep, it came off just like this. Okay. This lock assembly with the wire was holding it in its place. That's how it comes out, guys. Right here. Easy.